Thanks for staying with us here at STL Live. I'm Staci, and my guests here today are Chairperson Cassandra Nelson and Katrina Kerr from the National Coalition of 100 Black Women. Did I get it right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Here we're all talking about the STEAM Fair this year, which is a very exciting event. So since it is STEAM, and you mentioned that you're adding the arts, so this year you actually have a breakout session. Tell me more about that.
Yes. So with our breakout sessions, we're going to focus on arts.
Okay.
So we're going to have the green screen where the kids can actually stand in front of a green screen and see how you can take a photo and change the background of it to make it anything you want it to be. So they're also going to learn how to use graphic design to make their own logos.
Nice.
The next part of the arts is that they're going to do music, where they can learn how to make their own beats.
Yeah, because they have that big studio over there at the Boys and Girls Club. So,
exactly, yeah. So then we also have a dancer, a dance instructor coming in to teach girls and boys some dance moves. And we're looking, still kind of working this out with one of the actresses to see if she would come in and teach them some theater styles, smiling, frowning, and all that good stuff.
Yeah, so they can learn how to do a little acting too.
Yes,
so that is exciting to get involved in that. My daughter would be totally involved in this. So do you encourage all the kids to show up right as it starts and stay there the whole day? Because it's a fair. Normally people are in and out.
Yes, so we're hoping, so with the breakout sessions, you have to sign up.
Okay.
Because we only have so many spaces available for each student. I'm not sure that number yet.
Right.
So it's best for you when you come in to register whatever breakout session you would like to attend.
Got you.
And
so all of them are going to be different. The dancing, the acting, the music, and the beats, and the graphic design.
So we have two breakout sessions. One at 11:30, and then the next one starts at 2.
Okay.
But each breakout session will cover the photography, creative, graphic design, the music, and then dancing. Well, we have the same one at 2 o'clock as well.
All right, well, it sounds like it's so much fun. What part are you excited about?
Just exposing our children to the different areas of STEAM.
Yeah,
you know,
because you're a big believer in it.
I am.
Okay.
I am.
So just some of the corporations that are going to be there this year, the St. Louis Science Center, you said Boeing, also Bricks for Kids, even Pfizer and SLU. So Pfizer, what are they going to be talking about?
So they're going to be doing an exhibit. They have last year they had a table, and they had some of their scientists, their biochemical employees come out, and they did some type of experiment. I didn't get to see it because I was busy running around. But yeah, so they bring their equipment in. I don't know if they were the one that did the DNA testing.
Wow.
But the kids actually got a chance to hold the equipment and play around with some of the stuff that Pfizer actually do at their organization.
Do you find that when kids are exposed to professions like this, they do kind of change their mind? They don't want to just be rappers and actors and ball players when they see things like, oh, this is cool, I can actually invent something.
Yes, and one of the things that I do notice that when you talk about science, they think doctors. That's the only thing that they go towards, has been a doctor or a nurse. But when you have Pfizer there that's got chemistry, you know, they can get to see, oh, I can go and learn how to make medicine.
Exactly.
You know?
Or food. They have food scientists.
They got food tasters. The ones who actually come up with the taste of some of the food that we eat.
So it's really exciting.
Yeah,
so I cannot wait for this opportunity for our children, and 3 years in the game.
Yes,
so I love it. So you also said that the National Coalition of 100 Black Women is celebrating an anniversary this year.
Yes, our anniversary was October 24th, 1981, so we're 38 years old.
Wow.
And it started in New York City, and it actually grew all over the country, and so we have 61 chapters all over.
How old is the St. Louis chapter, do you know?
We are 35.
Yes. See, I came in pretty close.
March 10th,
Okay.
March 10th, 1984.
Got you. So make sure you get more information about the National Coalition of 100 Black Women Incorporated and the Boys and Girls Club of Greater St. Louis, presenting the STEAM Fair, taking place November 9th from 11 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. at the Boys and Girls Clubs of Greater St. Louis, located at 2901 North Grand Avenue. And for more info, call them 314-896-1196 or visit ncbw2019steam.eventbrite.com. There's more STL Live after this. Stay tuned.